Hello everyone, we are a team from University of Science and Technology of China. We presented SEM, Structured Epipolar Matcher for Local Feature Matching. Image local feature matching serves as a fundamental task in many 3D vision tasks, such as visual localization, SLAM and structure from motion. By studying the previous matching methods, we sum up two issues that are imperative for obtaining the dense correspondence between images. First is the limitation of appearance feature. As human beings, when we search for correspondences between a pair of images, we do not just compare pixels. Instead, we first look for conspicuous and easily matched anchor points in the images. By utilizing the relative positional relationships between pixels and anchor points, human beings can easily overcome the challenges posed by textureless and repetitive texture areas. This process is also inspiring for learning-based approaches. Existing methods only focus on extracting features from appearance, which is not distinguishable enough. See the figure. Some points with rich texture can be easily matched correctly with appearance feature. We call them anchor points, which marked as red in the figure. But some points with poor texture, such as A, B, and C, are quite similar in appearance feature, which is one of main challenges to appearance-based methods. We observed that structured feature is ignored by these methods. If relative position of A, B, C, to anchor points is considered, it can help to find correct matching. Another problem is irrelevant regions. Existed mainstream methods usually apply all pixel to all pixel attention and matching process, so the accuracy is influenced by irrelevant regions. See the figure. D, N, E, is correct correspondence, but F is also similar with D. If global attention and matching are applied, a wrong correspondence between D and F may be deduced. We find that geometric prior is ignored in most previous methods. In particular, epipolar constraint is helpful in matching. See the figure. Epipolar lines are marked as red. According to them, correct correspondence of D must rely in blue region. Here we broaden the epipolar line to a region for error tolerance. As a result, another similar point F is filtered and doesn't take in attention and matching with D, which increases the accuracy. To address the aforementioned two problems, we propose structured epipolar matcher for local feature matching. We propose a unified course to find iterative architecture named structured epipolar matcher, taking structured feature and geometric prior into consideration. The figure shows the whole architecture of our proposed method. It contains an iterative epipolar course matching module and two submodules. First, the initial course appearance features are extracted by a CNN backbone. Then the features are iteratively updated in an iterative epipolar course matching module, which is the course stage. In each iteration, structured features are fused by structured feature extractor module, and then attention and matching are applied with epipolar constraint to update the matching matrix. The camera relative position, RT, is obtained by Ransack algorithm. After the course stage, a refine matching module conduct a fine stage Our first novelty is structured feature extractor, which extracts structured feature and fuse it into appearance feature. First, we select some high confidence correspondences as anchor points, marked as red in the figure. For each point, Q, in the image, we calculate the coordinate differences and Euclidean distances from Q to all anchor points. Then, structured feature is obtained by concatenation of normalized coordinate differences and Euclidean distances. Here, we apply L1 normalization for scaling invariance, and use normalized Euclidean distances to enhance rotational invariance. After that, we fuse structured feature with appearance feature by a concatenation and MLP layer. In this module, relative positional information with reference to anchor points is encoded into outputted. Our second novelty is epipolar attention and matching, which takes epipolar constraint into attention and matching process. The attention and matching are conducted in an iterative manner. First, we obtain relative position, R, T, from previous matching matrix, M, by Ransack algorithm. Then epipolar lines such as P0N0, P1N1, can be calculated from relative position by epipolar geometry. Here, we broaden epipolar lines to regions with a set width for error tolerance, marked as green. Because relative position is not accurate in iterative process, correct matching point may not lay on the line. After that, attention and matching are applied between P0 and corresponding epipolar region. Features and matching matrix are updated. In this module, irrelevant areas are filtered in attention and matching process by utilizing. We conducted extensive experimental to evaluate our proposed method. 4 challenging benchmarks are evaluated, including homography estimation in H patches, relative pose estimation in megadepth and ScanNet, visual localization in InLog. We obtain new SOTA performance in all of 5 benchmarks, demonstrating the effectiveness of our proposed method. The ablation study also proves the effectiveness of each module. These are some visualization results. The left is the points and corresponding epipolar banded areas in source images, and the right is qualitative comparison between match former and our proposed method. To sum up, we propose SEM, a novel structured epipolar matcher for local feature matching. It contains 2 novel modules, a structured feature extractor, generating and fusing structured feature to complement the appearance features, an epipolar attention and matching module, utilizing epipolar constraint to filter out irrelevant matching regions as much as possible. We obtained SOTA performance in extensive experiment. Thanks everyone.